Very nice. Nice transition there. Nice transition, Amanda.
Yay.
So don't forget your. Go ahead. If he's on top, remember, you kind of had this, and you let him, so he was going for like the Americana Kimura, whatever the heck it is, right? Mm-hmm. So before, you were kind of defending that, which is good. Yeah. But look, while he's here, see how he's committed?
Yeah.
Right? So I want to be able to, I'm going to trap, because I basically have him trapped here.
Uh-huh.
And now, he's even giving me this. You're going to walk up, and I can roll him over.
Yeah.
Right? You kind of had that all day because
I had the hip too. I hadn't, but I couldn't get the momentum to flip them.
And now that I'm here, like, you know, now I can start.
Yeah. The tables have turned.
Yeah. But when I do this, I don't want to be so committed because then he'll trap and roll me too.
Yeah.
Like, if I get this, that's great. If not, right, I'm gonna press here, and I'm gonna maybe get, you know, I might have a chance to get out.
Mhm.
You know, because I could even drop this down and then
Pass.
pass. Right. So there are a lot of things, but yeah, the whole thing is, you know, he was so committed getting this, and you pulled it in. You were good. You defended it, right?
Mm-hmm.
But now I see. I want to go out here. So yeah, while he's doing that, right, and then I might even get lucky. But I'm gonna, because my goal is I want to get back up my feet. So I'm gonna get this in. Bam! I'm gonna drive this down, and I'm gonna get up. Stay in front of me too long?
Yeah. Don't let me leave. You know I'm gonna slip under.
Do what I wanted.
Yeah.
All right, so how are you going to get out from here? All right, don't give up. Now it's becoming a strength game, right?
Yeah.
So how do you avoid the strength game? I can hold here before I catch my breath, which is what you don't want.
Yeah.
You gotta take a side. You gotta find a way to get up under my neck.
Under your neck?
Because you need the frame to break my.
Oh, okay.
You're pushing on my hips, but that's okay, right?
Right. So come under.
Ah. That's it. See? If you stay down.
Yeah.
Here, right?
Right.
I can pause, right? And then if I sit, right?
On the ground.
Here, which you don't want.
Right.
Because you're assuming that I'm going to maintain the same direction of energy,
Right.
which is shoring up your structure. But if my intent is to pull you down, you're basically telling me, please sit and pull me in. Don't do that. Right, again, so you have me, right? Even if my hands are down here,
Yeah.
right? First thing I'm going to do is drop my weight. typically as I drop my weight,
Make
I'm
space.
gonna get this up, right? So, right away, I'm trying to pull me in, whatever. Right, but I'm gonna take this, right? Right away, and because I have this here. Okay? So, do that to me.
Okay. So if I'm trapped,
So let's see, I'm here,
right?
I'm trying to pull you in,
Right.
dump you. So I see you're worried about my hips too much.
Right.
So right away, get them up, frame. Ah, right. Now cut that ankle, right. Exactly.